Hi, welcome back to YouTube channel again. So in this video, we will guide you through the process of how to fix USB-C docking station not detecting monitor. Watch this comprehensive guide on your resolving the issue and learn useful technique and troubleshooting to method to successfully address this problem and ensure seamless connectivity between your devices. So now let's move to video. But before that, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe our YouTube channel for more latest video in the future. Now begin. So solution first is check display setting. First you have to right click on your desktop and select display setting, then automatically detect the monitor and show your desktop. So if not, your multiple you have to select your multiple display. So click on the detect this button in the monitor and are not already showing up. So if defected, then select the appropriate configuration for your setup. An example like extend this display and duplicate this display. So now there is setting for Mac. Click on the Apple logo in the top left corner of your screen, then select System Setting, then click on the display and hold down the Option key to show the Detect Display button and click it. Now, solution 2 Power cycle and docking station. So, unplug the computer and power supply from the docking station. Wait for 10 seconds and plug the power back into the docking station and then plug it into the computer. So, wait for 15 to 30 seconds for the dock to boot before proceeding. In solution 3, check USB-C port functionality. Consult your laptop manual or specification, then to confirm that your DSP CS your USB-C port support video output. If uncertain, so try connecting the monitor directly to the laptop via USB-C to check if the port is functioning for video output or not. Now let's move to solution 4. Updating docking station firmware. So in step one, we have to go into manufacturer website and from there download the latest driver and firmware for your specific docking station model. Then follow the manufacturer instruction, install the download update. So then restart your computer and reconnect the docking station to check if the issue is resolved. And now here are the solution files. So try a different cable or port. Swap out the USB-C cable from another one to rule out a cable fault. If your docking station has multiple USB-C or docking output port, so connect your monitor to a different port and ensure that cable is securely connecting to both the monitor and the docking station. And now solution 6 update graphic driver. For Windows, you have to press Windows X, then select Drives Manager from the menu and expand the display adapter section. Then right click on your graphics card and choose Update Driver. And now you have to select Search automatically for Update Driver software. If an update is available, so follow the prompt to install it, then restart your computer after the driver installation to ensure changes take effect. And now for Mac, you have to click on the Apple logo in the top left corner of your screen, then select System Preferences or System Setting from the drop down menu. Then click on the software update. If updates are available, then click Update Now and follow the on screen instruction to complete the update. Your Mac will likely restart during the process. Allow it to do so to ensure the update is applied. So these are the solutions you have to take when you try your USB-C docking station not detecting monitor. So thank you for watching our video. I hope you like it and this video is very helpful for your issue and we will catch you in our next video.